Hey, what's up, everybody? As you saw the title, we're gonna be driving my dirt bike around the whole entire map. Stay tuned, because things get crazy. Alright, let's just hop on this dirt bike. Also, wait, check out this truck. Check out this. Yeah, I got a nice green National and an SUV. Let's make sure to close that before we go. And let's hop in the back. Hold up, let me turn this off so you guys can hear me. And yes, I will not be talking throughout this whole journey, so don't worry if you think you missed any parts. You didn't. I'll only say the stuff after the ride. Alright, let's go. I am gonna go off-roading now. Oh crap, there's a thunderstorm and a tornado. Might have to go back home and continue this tomorrow. Yeah, I think that's the deal here. Oh! Crazy weather, bro. Mommy! Go, 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 go. I don't want the seat getting wet. I don't want the seat getting wet. Open. Where do I put this? I don't know. Just put it somewhere where it won't get wet. Right here's good. I hit my cars multiple times, so I think we're safe. Check out the inside. Wow, I just bought this house. Nice. Alright, it's time to go to sleep and wash this day away. Good night, everybody. Massive tornado. Warning. Massive tornado. Warning. Massive tornado. Seek shelter. The tornado passed? Yes! Alright, we can continue our journey on the highway. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Might be a bit windy, but I don't care. Let's hope it doesn't rain again. I can leave my door open, right? No, probably can't. So I'll have to go close it. It's 10 yards away. Oh shoot! Oh, we barely made it. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. That was pretty much all I can't finish. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't make sure to like and subscribe, because remember the deal. I need it. I need it. Well, I don't necessarily need it, I just want it, but yeah, I want to be big like this Roblox YouTuber, Streetcraft, and those other people. And if you made it to the end, please comment down below that you made it to the end. By the way, peace out. I'm scared of women.